Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look right here, and for this look I'm actually using the new Beauty Bay EYN, which is everything you need palette, and it's in the berry shade. So this is a 16 colour eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like inside. So in here we have a bunch of pink and plum shades, and there's also a mixture of matte and metallic finishes. The formula of these eyeshadows are amazing. They're very velvety smooth. They just apply amazingly onto the eyes. They blend lovely together. I really do like all Beauty Bay palettes that I've tried. I do have a few tutorials which I'll actually link them down below in the description box for you. I have a tutorial using the Going Out palette, also the Origin. I've got a few looks using the Origin palette, and also the this one here, which is the berry one. I also have another tutorial coming using the Fiery palette, so keep an eye out for that one. This one's really pretty. I thought actually with the name berry would have more kind of cranberry warm shades in it. You know, it's quite a kind of cool tone. Quite cool tone plums and pinky shades in there, but I have a few palettes already that has quite warm cranberry shades, so I'm not too fussed. And yeah, I quite like that there's more cool tones in here. But yeah, I've tried to create something quite berry-ish. This is what I came up with right here. So hopefully you like this look, guys, and let me know if you'd like to see more tutorials using the palette. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this eye look, then let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this matte warm brown shade, which is called Confidence, and I'm going to use this as my transition colour. Then picking up this deeper matte brown shade, which is called Chestnut Charm, I'm going to concentrate this more into my crease to deepen it up. These eyeshadows blend absolutely beautifully, and they're so velvety and buttery and smooth. So here I'm just going in with a bigger blending brush just to make sure that's nice and blended out, and then just going back in and deepen up areas where I feel needs a little bit more colour. Okay, now I'm going in with my first metallic shade, which is called Rustic Rose, and I'm just going to apply this onto my eyelids. And as you can see here, it applies nicely, but it doesn't the pigment doesn't really stand out. So what I like to do is use my finger. Like what I've noticed with all the Beauty Bay palettes, you have to use your finger to let the metallic shades really stand out. Then I'm picking up this next metallic shade, which is a peachy rose colour, and it's called Cutie Pie, and I'm just applying that on top, and that's going to make my eyelids really pop. Then using my blending brush, I'm just making sure those metallic shades blend nicely into my crease. Now I'm just going to apply some winged eyeliner, and here I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Okay guys, so I've applied all the rest of my face makeup, and I've also changed because I am so cold, so I've changed into this jumper. So I'm now going to finish off my inner corners, and I'm going to take the shade Starstruck right here. So I'm just going to apply this into my inner corner. So hopefully this shade will go well. It's like a kind of champagne gold colour. Yeah, that's pretty. So guys, that is it for this look. And if you're wondering actually what is on my lips, I actually have the Becca and Chloe's Cupid's Kiss on my lips there. So yeah, this is the completed eye look, and I really do like how this turned out. Like, the formula of this palette is amazing, just like the other Beauty Bay palettes. This little one here has the exact same amazing formula. Like, the shades just blend absolutely beautifully, just blend so nicely together, like no patchiness whatsoever. The shimmers, of course, like you have to use your finger with them to like really make the pigment stand out, but I don't mind anyway because they are gorgeous shades, and when you use your finger, like, the pigment really stands out anyway. So yeah, I really do love this look. I think it is really pretty. Yeah, really like this palette, and that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the eye look down below in the comment section, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you really did like and enjoy it, and hit the subscribe button just down below if you are brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.